Impact Affiliate Marketing Tutorial for Beginners 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Impact for affiliate marketing, okay? Now, Impact is obviously a very popular platform, okay? And it's pretty good for management for different types of people. It could be an influencer, affiliate, it could be B2B SaaS, or mobile. So there's a lot of different things and ways you can use this incredible software for yourself. So yeah, what we are going to want to be doing to start off with this is you're first of all going to choose the partner central, because if you're a brand, then obviously you are an entity that other people are going to be selling. But if you want to become an affiliate, a partner would make sense, because a partner is what affiliates are. So impact.com for publishers and creators. Whether you're a creator monetizing your content or an established publisher building new revenue streams, impact.com can help you discover, new brand partnerships and all. So, obviously, we're going to go over to affiliates. And once you come over to affiliates, what you're going to want to do from here is you're going to go ahead and choose. So, partner with your brands that your audience will love. Okay. So, let's say I'm going to go with Adidas. Okay. And I'm going to go with Lenovo. So, once you do that, you can click on find brand partners. And once you do that, it starts verifying that, it's actually you. And once you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up and start earning, basically. So I'm going to go ahead, click on sign up with email. And this is your basic sign up process. So add all the necessary things. Then it asks you to add a username. I'm just going to add this. Then you have your email address. You have your password. And once you do that, you have your mobile number. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my phone number. And once you add your phone number, obviously they're gonna ask for any type of verification. That could be through email, that could be through any other means. So just go ahead and confirm from wherever they ask you. So as you can see, they sent a code to my email. So I'm gonna go ahead and verify myself from there. So the code I got is 574942. So 574942. There we go. And we're simply going to click on verify. And now we get into the good stuff. So here, first of all, what is your primary business model? Okay. So there, it could be content and reviews, deals and coupons, loyalty rewards, creator, network, commerce solution, media arbitrage, cross audience monetization, whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go with content reviews. Okay. And I'm going to go with creators, like individuals who market products and services to their own audience, or publishers focus on producing editorial content related to promoting. So obviously the most famous one is content reviews. You can go with any of the niches you want to. I'm going to go with content reviews. Which methods do you use to promote? You could add a website that you technically have. You could add your socials, mobile app, etc. Wherever you add it. I'm going to go ahead and click on add a website, and I'm just going to go ahead. So I'm going to call this John's blog. And obviously I have a blogspot or a blogger account. So in my blogger account, I'm just going to go ahead, click on view blog. Here is my blog URL. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to bring it over here, paste it. And obviously it's in HTTPS. So that is exactly what we're going to want to add here. So HTTPS, there we go. We're going to click on submit. So there we go. I've added my means of, actually marketing my product. So tell us about yourself. I am a or an. So you could be an individual or a company. I'm going to go with individual for now. Account display name. Obviously go with whatever your account display name is going to be. And once you've chosen that, then you choose your country and region. You add in your address. And once you add in your address, timeline, currency, and finally click on submit. So once you do all of that, that is going to set your account. Everything is going to be complete from there. And from here on out, what we are going to be doing is we're going to be using impact.com strictly for affiliate marketing purposes. So obviously, because we just created our account, We're going to wait for things to load in. And here we go. So complete your marketplace profile. Obviously, you can get started, verify your email, which is obviously done. But there's nothing losing in verifying it again. So obviously, you can click on get started. So verify your email. Obviously, my email is verified, so it takes us to enhancing your profile. Now, over here, you're gonna choose a logo for your profile. Right now, I'm just gonna go with something like pretty basic. Then, you have your description, add that, add your contents and interests. Once you do that, make sure they're comma separated so people know what your actual contents or interests are. Then you have your business model. So content reviews, obviously, I'm going to stay with that. Personal info, you can add those things for yourself if you want to, but I'm going to leave those out and I'm going to click on save for now. So that obviously enhances our profile a bit. And you can modify your media properties. Now, I already have a media property over here. And you can, it says copy the text segment below and paste it in the first body section or paragraph of your content. And it says paste the URL where you placed the segment and then submit your verification. So I'm going to go over to my blogger, and over there, I'm just going to verify things real quick. Just go into some post of yours. Let's say I have this post. I'm going to go here, add this, and the segment that we've added, paste the URL where you place the segment. You can actually check. So this is the URL of the page you completed the verification on. Obviously, this is what we're going to paste that on. I'm going to click on update. And now, once it's updated, I'm going to click on submit for verification. And once it gets verified, we're going to be pretty much good to go because I've already added this. So it shouldn't be an issue for it to find out. So once you get verified, and it says submit your marketplace application. So once you do all of that, that, sets you up. And you can also paste some code on your website, copy the code below. And on your home page, you can add this. Again, this is also pretty simple. Just create a new post. Once you create a new post, you can simply go into some type of, code editing technique over here. So you can add HTML coding if it lets you. And, there's just different ways to add codes into your design, add different hyperlinks for yourself, and a whole lot more. So once you get verified from there, you're just going to submit your application. And once you do all of that, you're set to go. So that is basically how you're going to become an affiliate on your impact marketing software. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.